Right. Look what we got today. We got a Pokemon Elite Trainer box with a shield dog on it. You can see here. It's a bit busted up as it is. Just rip into this. Oh, see here. Throw away that plastic. Okay, let me see if I can get this in the shot. It's a bit tricky. Let's see. All right. Ooh. Oh, we got a booklet thing. Let me see. Go on. Move this, and it's scuffed. But there we have it. It's a player's guide. How to set up the cards and all that, I think. Ooh, some nice cards. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Let us slide this out. Ooh, that looks good. Whoa. That's cool. They got like a print on the inner side. Why they even bothered to do that, I do not know. Cool. This is a very it's okay. Let's open this. Oh yeah. Where to put this? Ooh. Okay, let's just go through this then. Got, I think it was 8 booster packs. Yeah, 8 booster packs. And we got these. I don't remember what these are called, but let's see. We got the dices. Very nice glittery color. Red glittery color as the mascot on the front. And got some card dividers. How about that? That's pretty cool. We got the code I'm gonna claim for myself. And some energy cards. Packed full. And last but not least, sleeves. Very nice sleeves. I like that. Okay, let's put this to the side and place you down right here, and let's get right into the booster packs. Let me see here. I just need to place these somewhere so I have some kind of order here. All right. Oh yeah, look at that stack. Ooh, very nice. Almost each one is a different one. Okay, let's get right into this. Our first, I think I cut my finger. All right, our first is Sword and Shield. Just an ordinary Sword and Shield. Let's see. Open it up. Open it up. Need a box for this. Oh, maybe not. All right, let me see. Pull this out. Oh wait, yeah, this is right. And how do you do it with this one? You take it out like that. Great. I'm gonna claim these codes for myself. I'm sorry, guys, but it has to be done. At least for now. Maybe if I get more viewers, I just start giving it away to you because as of now I don't get any income on YouTube, so sorry. Pokegear 3.0, Sudowoodo, Eldegoss, I mean, Pawniard, Sizzlipede, Jumper, nice, I like Jumper. Clopupus, yeah, Cottony, our reverse, Goldeen, and at the very end, oh, no, we got energy too, alright, I forgot about that. At the very end we got Cloyster. It's an ordinary rare, so we just start to put them up here. Right, let's get right into the next one here, and it's still a normal Sword and Shield, because this one has the shield dog on it. Where, yeah, I can Sword and Shield. Alright. Let me see here. Silicobra. Pull it out and do 1, 2, 3 there to the front and get rid of the energy card, Fire Energy. That is Pokegear 3.0, Sudowoodo, again, Eldegoss, Silicobra, it's a Silicobra, Minchikino, I think, Vulpix, Munna, Rosalia. Ooh, that's a very nice one. What is this? A rare. At the very end we got, ooh, a holo. Boltund. Wow, dang. That's nice. Look at that. That's pretty neat. This looks actually good. So now we got a holo, a reverse, and I wonder if this is a secret rare or just a reverse, because that looks good. Vitality Bane. Okay, let's get right. Sorry. Okay, let's get into the next one here. See here. How about that? Oh, baby. Get over there. Flip it. Let the mouse lick it. And our psychic energy. No, a dark energy? I'm not so sure. Stunfisk. That's actually how we say fish in Norway. Fisk. Raboot. Oh, he be Robin. Hop. Hey. How about that? I actually started my Sword and Shield playthrough on my Nintendo. So Rhyhorn. Clobus. Again, Goldeen. Rosalia. Oh. Ghastly. Aurora Energy. This is a reverse. Almost like that one. This is special energy. Yeah, this is probably good. And more Pico as a rare at the end. Man, getting some nice cards. How about that? Getting some nice cards. Alright, we got how many left? 5 left? Man, just keeps on going, doesn't it? Actually received a big package this time with 2 other like boxes from Pokemon, but I think I'm just gonna open this for now. Okay. Flip it, dip it, let the mouse lick it. I don't know which energy that is. Okay, let me see. Stunfisk again. Raboot again. Hop again. A Pikachu. That's a nice Pikachu. Very cool. Very cool, very swag, I like it. Sinistia. Willow. Shelder. Ooh. 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 Sorry about that. Grogunk. Shinichu as our reverse, and at the very end, I feel texture. Woobuffet, V. Oh man, how about that? That is very nice, very nice. Very nice, actually. Man, I love the color on that one. Wait, I gotta... Ooh, I love that color. Black and purple. A bit of blue as well. As well. Right, let's get into the next one. Ooh, I don't have enough storage on my recording device, aka my telephone. So I gotta be quick about this one. I mean, yeah. Quickest one shall be, at least. We got a Vulpix in the code here. Förbäddra la mouse like it. Get rid of the water energy. We got Quillfish, Energy Switch, Dottler, Vulpix, Munna, Rosalia. We got a lot of Rosalias. Chewtle, Biltbug, Oranguru. Ooh, very nice reverse. And at the very end we got a Sandaconda. Yeah. Oh, Sandaconda, I mean. Sorry about that. Let's see. I have the soundtrack of Sword and Shield in my head. Can't get it out. I can't get it out of my head. Oh, it was a common because it was green on the backside. I apologize for that. Revealed secret. And get rid of the energy. What energy is this? Tell me in the comments below, please. Quillfish. Energy Switch, Dottler, Goldeen, Diglett, Digimon, okay, Diglett, Scorupy, Hoot, that's a nice name, Scorbunny, hey, I ain't got a normal one of those, Scorpoi, as our reverse, and at the very end we got a Orbital. I'm gonna place you there. I'm gonna place you right there. Yeah, man. Fancy. Okay, we got 2 packages left to go. Give me that rainbow rare, baby. Have not received a rainbow rare yet. So, what does the D mean on that one? It says a D. Oh, it says a D on everyone. I'm just... I didn't notice that. Let me open this, please. Please, let me open. We have a Bulu. How about that? I want a 2. A 2 to the 3. Get rid of the leaf energy. How about that? A leafy boy. Ooh. Takwaki. Whole pad. Citrus berry. Willow. Shelder. Grogunk. Silly Cobra. He's silly. Minchikinu. Yeah, okay. Mantine. And at the very end we got a... Ooh, we got a Toxic Croak. Hello. Very nice. I'm actually gonna put you over there. How about that? Got a lot of reverses and hollows. expected, I suppose. It's guaranteed to get a reverse, I think, so... Alright, the very end, we got Snorlax. And the world on his tummy. Yeah. Come on. Come. Why is this one so hard to open? What? Yeah, okay. Because it's the very last, that's why. I'm running out of recording time. So we gotta go through this. Oh, man. Right. Oh! Oh, I lose it. I lose it. Oh. Oh. Getting stressed out here now. Sorry about that. Oh, man. Okay, we gotta get through this. Getting rid of the lightning energy and get through this. Strawberry, Rookidai, Sidsipede, Snom, Mawile, Gossifleur, Sandacone, and at the very end we got a Drapion. Wow, nice. Okay, thanks for watching this episode. Hey, another one will soon be uploaded.